5-Minute Read: The Cafe at the End of the World. Today, let's explore The Cafe at the End of the World, a book that delves into the existential quest for meaning through conversations between the protagonist, the cafe owner, and the staff. By finding our purpose for existing, PFE, we can break free from confusion, anxiety, and numbness. But what exactly is the meaning of our existence? PFE, or purpose for existing, refers to why we are here in this world and what kind of person we want to become. Many people grow up conforming to others' expectations, following paths already traversed, and pursuing the societal definition of a successful life. Consequently, many are unaware of what they truly want, often caught in a state of confusion and anxiety. So, how does finding our PFE change our lives? Firstly, it helps us avoid being overwhelmed by the undertow. But what is the undertow? The book presents the story of a green sea turtle. The cafe staff, who loved diving, once saw a sea turtle leisurely swimming and decided to challenge it to a race to see who could swim faster. However, no matter how hard they tried, they couldn't catch up with the turtle's speed. Eventually, they realized that when swimming against the current, the turtle didn't exert much effort, simply maintaining its position. But when swimming with the current, the turtle exerted its full strength, propelling itself forward. The staff couldn't catch up because the turtle understood how to distinguish and deal with the undertow. Similarly, in life, those people and things that consume your attention, energy, and time but have nothing to do with your PFE are the undertow rushing towards the shore. If you are not on the same wavelength as what you are doing, you will waste a considerable amount of energy. By the time you have the chance to do what you truly want, you may no longer have the strength or time. When you find your PFE, you can invest your time in activities that contribute to its realization, avoiding being overwhelmed by the undertow. Secondly, finding our PFE increases our satisfaction with life. The book mentions that from a young age, our lives are filled with various advertisements conveying the message that material possessions are the source of fulfillment in life. Bombarded by marketing messages every day, we unconsciously place our happiness and satisfaction in certain products. To acquire these products, we must find a job, and if that job is not something we love, we become dissatisfied with life. To compensate for this dissatisfaction, we buy more things to reward ourselves. The more we buy, the more bills we have to pay, and the more time we need to spend on a job we dislike, trapped in a vicious cycle, becoming mere money-making machines. When we find our PFE, we no longer need to desperately work for material rewards, but can immediately begin doing what we truly want. Starting with just an hour or two each day and gradually devoting our full energy to what we love, we feel immensely satisfied when we spend every day doing what we enjoy, and our obsession with money diminishes. Thirdly, finding our PFE reduces the fear of death. Death is one of the most common fears among humans, and the subconscious fear of not having the opportunity to accomplish everything in life is often the reason behind it. If someone has clarified their purpose for existing, chosen what they truly want to do, and achieved their PFE, why would they fear death? If we have fulfilled our aspirations or engage in what we love every day, there is no reason to fear missing out on the chance to do those things. Instead of fearing death, we can cherish each day and live in the present. The final question, and one that concerns us all, is how do we find our purpose for existing? The book suggests experiencing different things, encountering diverse ideas, and being aware of our reactions to various phenomena. These experiences and ideas can provide clues to finding our purpose. Some experiences or ideas may resonate deeply with individuals. Upon encountering certain things, people may experience physical reactions such as goosebumps, a tingling spine, a sense of euphoria, or even tears of joy. Others may have a sense of "this is it." These feelings and reactions serve as clues to finding the meaning of our existence. In conclusion, The Cafe at the End of the World emphasizes the importance of finding our purpose for existing and how it significantly impacts our lives. It helps us avoid being overwhelmed by the undertow, increases our satisfaction with life, and reduces the fear of death. By experiencing new things, encountering different ideas, and staying connected with our reactions, we can gradually discover our purpose. This book has prompted me to reconsider the meaning of life and sparked reflection on my own PFE. It reminds me to pursue what I truly desire rather than blindly conforming to others' expectations. I hope to focus more on pursuing my PFE, doing what I love, and cherishing each moment. Let me end with a quote from Mark Twain: "The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why."